morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are from in the whole wide world. This is Jeanette Pickering with another video. Today I've got the Mavic Mini. I've come out to Hollow Meadows to fly the drone. I've not flown it in a couple of days because of the wind. There is a slight breeze, about 8 miles an hour, nothing this little drone can't handle. Yeah, I'm not going to go too far, still getting used to it. Not going to go miles, well you can't anyway with this drone, but hey ho. But yeah, I hope you do like the video. As normal, the PayPal link will be in the description below, so if you fancy supporting my channel because you like what you see, that'd be absolutely awesome. Doesn't matter if you don't want to, that's fine by me. Also, if you feel like it, please like, share and comment. That would be absolutely brilliant. Also, if you're new around here and you like this video, why don't you consider hitting the big red button? And also don't forget to press that bell so you never miss a future video. Alright then guys, I've got some awesome locations coming up for you, but it has forecast some bad heavy wind and rain in the next few days, so I don't know when I'm going to get another video out, so I thought I'd better come out today just in case. Anyway, that's enough of me rambling on. Like I said, don't forget to like the video and comment and share. Brilliant. Alright then guys, I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the video. Bye for now.